বারোটায় ঘুমোতে যাবো।
Hello, hello.
I think there's some loudest talking rather than Sabto's mouth.
Wait,
আরে কর কর স্টার্ট
let's
কর।
check. Yes, it is live. Okay. So, okay, and what is this? TCS. Yes. Mm, so, which questions were left?
The
Don't say
first question
19,
is
okay?
uh, the first question is the maximum Savare
Maximum products
sum.
are.
Oh, sorry, product.
Yes. So, the question says that you have an array and you have to return the maximum product subarray, right? The question itself is explanatory. Okay, so I did it yesterday and everything was right, just I did some extra things and that destroyed my solution, but it is simple. It is not about recursion. I can do it using recursion, but recursion makes it more complex. So it is just a normal question. So let me give the approach how to do that. Let's say in what is the question, the question. Okay, let's solve it in coding ninjas. I have not tried coding ninjas ever. No, I'm not.
Can you please share your screen?
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. I mistake. Okay, so here is the question, and from this link I am going to coding ninjas. I don't know it will be optimal or not. Okay, let me log in. We're done. Please don't switch. Yes, okay. So here is an array and I have to just find the maximum sub array, the maximum sub array product. Okay, so how can I do it? It is just a normal thing. Now we have to initialize two pointers. One is for the temporary product, which is initialized by 1, as if it is 0 then 0 into anything is 0, and another one is int let's say maximum product, which is also initialized by 1. Okay, so now the maximum product should be initialized by 0 because it might be negative, right? Okay, now I can run a for loop, array.length I plus plus. Now what I'm doing, every element I add into the array or every element I traverse, I will add it into the temporary product. May it be negative, positive, 0, anything. Okay, I'll multiply it with the temporary product so that I can get the product of the whole array, right? So temp product into equals to array of I. You got the thing I told? Is everything okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so now temporary product is multiplied with the number. Now uh, I can detect the maximum product. Okay, so maximum product is always the maximum of max dot max of temp product and maximum product, whichever will be more, maximum product will be replaced by that. Okay, now what will happen, it will generally give the answer, but we have to check one thing, that if it is 0, we shouldn't add it by 0. So if it is 0, then after the 0, after 0 we should be initialize the temp product, because after 0, if it becomes 0, temp product becomes 0, then everything we add, it will become 0, right? So after 1 0, it will not calculate the next numbers. You understand? You understand not?
Repeat once, repeat once.
So what I was trying to say, that if if a 0 comes in the middle, let's say here, if a 0 comes in the middle, then I am multiplying every number with the temp product, right? So if a 0
Yes.
come, I will multiply it with the temp product, the
Mm.
temporary product, and the temporary product will be 0. So if it becomes 0, then
Mm.
after that, if we multiply it again with -4, it will become 0. If we multiply it by 3, it will become 0. So these values will not be calculated. That's why if a 0 comes, we have to reinitialize the temporary product to 1, so that it will be again 1 into -4, that is -4. It can take the multiplication of the product again from starting. You got it?
Okay, okay.
Okay, so if temporary product equals to 0, then temporary product equals to 1. I am initialized by 1, and then as it is 1, then it will continue as it is. Okay, so now what I can do, like, maximum product is maximum of these two numbers, and then temporary product. Okay, so I think it will work. mm, let's say 0 comes, 0 into, well, it happens 0, not 0. Okay, okay, 1. So okay, let's try it. I don't know it is optimized or not, but I think it should work. Max product, where I should work it, like how to run, I don't know if I run. There are 5 test cases. Okay, one test case is, and the above test case failed. Please fix and rerun your code for the remaining test case. What is well 130, its output is 0, which I was not wanting. What is wrong here?
What is your output? One.
Yes, like this
I
one, maximum
also
part.
get one as output.
Maximum part method and max temporary part and max temporary. That is right.
Okay, you do one thing. If your term product is lesser equals to 0, then term product equals to 1. Do it in the seventh line.
No, no, it shouldn't be like that.
Yes, if the
No,
subarray
no,
product is negative,
no, no, no. I can tell you why. Because if let's say there is -2 and there is -3, okay. So if -2 and -3 equals to 6, isn't it? Let's say this is -3.
you don't have to check that. I am telling that the current product is negative. If the current product is negative, then you have to reassign it as 1.
No, no, no. I am explaining why it shouldn't be. Let's say this is -2 and this is
Hmm.
-3. Let's say, okay, okay. Let
Hmm.
me take my whiteboard. Let's say
Okay, then. then your temp product should must be greater than zero.
What?
Then your temp product must be greater than zero. If you get those type of things
No,
like
no, no.
two
Okay.
consecutive negative.
Here. See, what you tend to say that if temporary product is negative, then it should be reinitialized to one, right?
No, no, no. I am
Like
telling that
see
if your
one in
product is negative, then reassign it to.
yes, that
Uh,
means if 1 into minus 2, this is now product equals to minus 2, then I should reassign it to 1,
yeah, yeah,
isn't it?
yeah.
So now the product is 1, but it should be minus 2, and then if minus 2 into minus 3 equals to what, minus 6.
Okay, then put a condition for this type of case.
What cases? This should
Like
be, this
if
is okay, this is okay. If minus 2 and minus 3, if it is minus 2, then the temporal product is minus 2, and the maximum product is 1 here. Maximum product is 1 here, and
okay,
then
okay.
after 2 and minus 3, it will be 6, then it will replace 1 by 6. It is okay. The case is was 0. The problem is with 0.
The problem is that if you get negative, then it is not assigning to one, and it takes that product also.
What?
Like if that is positive, suppose it is 1 3, then the temporary product is 3,
Hmm.
and here you get after the 0 you get the product is like minus 12 because you assign it to 1 for the middle element.
I didn't get it.
See, like, how can I explain it? Hmm, this example is pretty.
Okay, let me try the cadence algorithm from right to left also, like from this side. If I can get before 0, but it shouldn't be method, it shouldn't be replaced, isn't it? Max product shouldn't be replaced. Ah, yes, it's, oh, here it is minus 1, then minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. That's why, you understand?
Yeah, yeah, I'm talking about that. Minus 3 should be reduced to 1.
No, it should be 3, right? It should be 3. The
Uh,
maximum survey
yes,
is
yes, it should
3.
be 3.
So how can I eliminate the minus things?
Then you have to put a condition check how many numbers of consecutive minuses are there like this, but it is difficult.
One condition might be there that I will return the, if such thing happen that every consecutive number is there, then I can return the maximum single number, maximum single positive number, right?
Yeah.
That will pass the test case.
Actually, my code is running, but we, that instance is wrong here. Two consecutive minuses or two minuses in a subarray. That is giving me wrong answer. Otherwise, it is working fine.
This will pass this test case. But yeah, one thing is true. Which is output is 4, but it should be 12. I knew it I should do that, but it took some time. Yeah, now it will work. I think it will work. But this max product you cannot be replaced, bro. It is giving runtime error because I have not put it minus minus. What the hell, man? Let's change the variables. This is the last time I'm doing this question. Optimal code test. Yeah, bro, it is optimal. Okay. Though it doesn't give the best time complexity, but yeah, that is okay. I can optimize this way. I have written so many first round code back. Okay, okay. So do you understand what I did?
Please explain it.
Okay, I just did this thing. You understand this thing, right? That I am traversing an array from left to right, and then finding the maximum product. You understand that?
Yes, the upper part I understood.
Yes, I did the same thing, but from right to left. Then what for that test case only? Uh, can I get the test cases? I think no. Okay, so there was a test case which was saying that minus one, 1, let's say minus 3, 0, minus 1, 3, 4. Some test case will be like that. So if I traverse this from left to right, I will get let's say 12, but at the end, but I have to product this minus 1 also with that. So to avoid that, what I did, I give an extra for loop which will traverse from end to first. Where these situations, these 3 4, or like let's say there is 0 and then let's say there is 4 and 1, so these conditions, these situations will be handled. Okay, so then I just did this extra thing so that some more test cases will pass. You got it? This thing is only for that for loop.
Means you are trying to tell that those means without writing also the code can be solved.
Yes, the basic test case will be passed from this code maximum only.
Okay,
This
okay.
code will solve maximum, but to optimize this, I have done this to solve some extra test cases only.
Okay, please explain the for loop. What are you doing the second part?
Second part is nothing. This thing. I goes terra dot length minus one. I terra than zero. Just
Traversing from the end.
traversing from the end and finding the
Mm,
maximum product from the end, and then I
okay.
am comparing the maximum product with the max
With the
product found
with
above.
that product. Okay, okay.
Yes,
Okay, can you please test it with an custom input like in editor?
bro. In coding ninjas, the 5 test cases are the most different test cases.
No,
Okay,
no, I want to check one case actually.
okay.
If
Tell
you
tell,
like, you write the
bro.
test
You
case
are
creating one.
making my job. Let's say my task difficult. But okay, I'll not.
And just copy and try it,
Okay, okay.
nothing else.
Let's find and let code.
Uh,
Okay,
nothing
okay.
else.
You will satisfy your questions, or let's say your
No, no,
hook. Okay,
just a
wait, wait, wait.
test case one.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know it will run here or not, but let me try. Here you will find the most dangerous test cases. Okay, bro.
Oh, the added name is different there.
This nouns. Can I change it?
Nothing much special. Like
Okay, tell.
if
Any
two
test case. Tell.
negative numbers, negative numbers, there should be some positive numbers. I will tell you
What?
example like 1, 1 minus 2,
Then
0,
okay, my
3,
dog is disturbing. So 0, 3,
3, minus 5, suppose.
minus 5. Okay, so the value it should return
5,
is
5 to,
what?
no, 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 it is not completed yet.
Okay,
It is not completed yet
okay,
actually.
tell.
5, 6,
6.
5, 6, minus 2. Let's.
minus 2, right? This is,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay. No, insert another positive number between the negative two.
Which one?
Yeah, yeah.
Here?
No, 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 no. Before 6 or after 6. Anyway,
Yes, yes, before 6
positive
and
number.
inserting 4.
Uh, okay, no.
It did not work.
That's the problem.
uh, because this part of
Actually, I am also getting error in this type of test cases. Otherwise, it's fine, working fine.
okay, it is already 45 minutes, so we should move on.
Yeah, yeah. The simpler question, simpler.
Okay,
Then get back to this question. I think
okay.
Kaden is not working properly for this. I don't know why. But for the sum question, it is working fine. Maximum sum, summary sum.
Yes.
Let's do some easy question, man. Like search an element in an array. Linear
Finding
search.
equilibrium index. Can I do it?
Okay. What is the question again?
So here the question says 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 4. Okay, so there will this is called pivot index actually in technical term. So there will be an index uh, in the left of which the sum and the right sum is equal.
Okay. Like we have to find the sum of the two.
What I couldn't understand.
There is an index in an array. There is 8. So the left part, the sum of left part is 2 plus 3 minus 1, that is 4.
Means
The
the
sum
left part from where?
0 to that before index.
Oh.
This index you are standing here and you will see the left part and the right part. The sums would be equal.
Means the index will be mentioned from where we will
No,
start.
you have to find the index.
Oh, means from which index the result is same we will find.
Yes, yes, yes. Find such index where the sum of the left part and the right parts should be equal.
I think we should try it because it is not that simple. I think.
Yes, but I have a solution in my mind. Okay. So the question number was 21, right? Question 21. Uh, pivot index. I should name it by that. It is not actually adding to the git. I don't know what is problem with the git. My git base is not working properly. Okay. I cannot do much hard work for writing the array, so I copied. Okay, so anyone with the solution how it should be or how it can be? Normal brute force approach. Third person, Ronit.
Okay.
Any solution? Okay, so we can take two indexes, left sum and left for the left sum and right for the right sum, and
Means the index which we will take, the number, means that particular number we will not take, right? Like index number 3, the number 8 will be
no, 8
omitted.
will be not taken. only these left and right things.
Right.
Then we'll run a for loop, or let's say a while loop. While left not equals to right, int let's say answer equals to I am making it so complex. Why am making it so complex? It should be simple. For int I equals to 0 and less than array dot length I plus plus left plus equals to error of I right plus equals to error of error dot length minus 1 minus I if left equals to right and left equals to right. Let's say this thing I equals to this. It will not traverse equal, right? No. Okay, anyone any idea?
I think we have to use the sum function and traverse through the array and find a temporary variable where the sum of the zeroth to that temporary variable's index minus 1 equals to temporary variable. Suppose it is j plus 1 to length. We have to check whether in which part that is equal. Like, take an example, but I don't know.
I understand, but I have an approach. Let me give me
Is
1 second.
it work or not? Don't know.
You try and I also try.
Okay.
At first, I must take the sum of the all the elements, and then I will again run a for loop. So now at first I will minus it. At first I will minus it. So sum minus equals to array of I, and then I will plus it. That's right. Plus equals to array of I. If it shouldn't contain the last element, it should be up to this. 8 13 12 84. Can the last element be this index? Can the last index be this index?
For some, it is not the last index, but you have to check. Like starting to end will be not always the zero than the last index.
Yes, if it is the last index, then it is like that test case is difficult to handle.
Hmm.
That should make it fair. That is, it is 12 and this is 4. Okay. No, no. This index is this, then it should be this. This, so it shouldn't traverse to the last index because it cannot be the last index. Okay. Now no, it shouldn't be like that. Okay. Now uh, yes. Sum minus equals to this up to this. Okay. Sum minus equals to 8 and plus equals to 4. This is 0 up to this. Yes, I think this will work.
Okay, run it. Getting index out of bound.
Also, I should print the array of I to know the which number is this. Okay. What the hell? It is not printing anything.
It should print the index. No, no way.
Okay, so array dot length minus 1. No, bro. Minus 2. No, minus 1 means the whole sum, right? I shouldn't take the whole sum. Yeah, now it should work. No, no, it's minus 1. It will take up to 2 plus 3 5 minus 1 4 plus 8 12. Okay, it will take 12. Okay, now this is 12 minus this. I should start from this. 12 minus this. Okay, now the pointer is here. Okay, 8. Sum minus equals to 8. Right plus equals to 4. So right equals to 4. 8 equal to 12 minus. Why it is not working, bro? Yes, it is 12. So it is 4 and 8. Why it is 4 and 8?
Saptasi, can you solve it?
Question number?
Wow, bro.
I wasn't
Question
there in
number.
the meet in the meantime.
Question number it is. Ronit, please tell.
Question number is 21.
Okay. Let
20.
me see.
I think I have solved it.
Okay, Gaurango. I
Yes,
think
tell.
this is
What?
why it is giving me. I'm giving a code snippet. Why it is giving me the array index bound of error? Like
Plus 1 index.
that is a function. Just give me index out of bound error.
Okay, so it is working. Okay, so it is 4 4, then it is 11, and then it is from this 5 12, then 2 11. 5 12, that is 5, and that is 12. Then okay, okay, it is working. Okay, anyone who don't understand, let me understand. It actually the conditions given to the for loop is like difficult, else nothing else.
Okay, explain what you did.
Hmm?
Hmm,
Explain.
1 minute, please.
No, okay. Oh, bro, the charge is finished in 1 hour.
Why it is giving me error?
How can it be finished in 1 hour?
Okay, okay. Gauranga, explain, then I will finish my code.
Okay, okay. Wait a second, my charge is finished. Just
Okay, okay. Yes.
let me plug in.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm back with the charge. Uh, See, like what I did is there's a pointer right, okay,
Mm.
which will take the sum from this, like from the right direction, and there is a in sum, which will at first I will sum this up to this, okay. I'll take the sum of all the numbers up to this, and then I will minus one number, and the right one will plus one number. You understand?
No, not understand.
Okay, so what the thing I am doing is I have already taken the sum of the whole array, okay, and then I
Okay.
will put another pointer which will add the numbers from the right direction, and I will check if the
Um,
number in the I will check if the sum in the right direction is equal to the sum of the left direction or not. How will I check the sum in the left direction? I will minus the number from this, then I will get this sum, right? I have already taken the
yes.
sum of these numbers, and if I minus this number,
Mm.
I will get the sum of these numbers,
Yes.
and the right thing will sum this number only. So I will compare. I can
Okay.
compare this right one with this left one, and if they are equal, then I will print the index.
That means you are taking the right sum and the whole sum, and then you
Yes,
are
yes,
just
yes, yes, yes,
subtracting it to get
yes,
the left sum.
yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Got it, everyone?
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, I have done it. Let's write some. The J is first. I have to take it from zeroth index now for the left
Yes.
sum.
So my code is more optimized than you, or
Don't
it's
know.
a time optimization.
Uh, my time complexity is order of n square.
Yes, that's what. Mine is big of n.
Okay, can you check one test place?
Yes, yes, yes. Obviously, I was waiting for this. Tell
Ah,
me.
2 comma minus 2.
2 comma
Anything
minus
else
2.
like
Then
comma 5.
5.
Yeah,
Then
this one. Nothing. This one.
it will give minus 1, right?
It shouldn't. It should give like
It should give
Zero,
zero.
zero, zero.
uh,
It will give
Why
it
zero
zero?
should no. It should
because
give
it will
two.
take
No
the
means no. It will give the
index
equilibrium
number.
index. That means it will give two.
Yeah,
Yes,
it's
yes. The
It will
index
give
number will
two.
be 2 and the answer will be
this
3.
test case is not working
What?
properly.
I didn't understand.
Like
Index
see
number.
Okay,
from
like
the
5 should be the index. Like mean 5, right is 0 and left is 0. That thing you are telling
Yes.
me.
Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
yes,
So the index is two then.
but it is giving minus one. I also have
Yes.
this error. I don't know what to do.
Means the array 2 which you have written, that should also give the same result. 1 minus 1 and 4.
Yeah, that will give in here. If I'm uh taking it here, then it will give. Do you wanna see? Yes, that is 0. How do you wanna know how? Like okay, let me print only the index, right? then you will understand. Sum and write. What is the index? This is the index. The index is 2 and the sum should be 0 and right should be 0. That is okay. That is 1. Where is 1? That was the only test case I was uh, not
I also
sure.
stuck with it.
So I can uh, ki- get a simple test case like if the sum equals to 0, then shout array dot length minus 1, right? Because I am taking the sum up to this thing
Mm.
and then return. I cannot open here. Like end the return. Okay, that should work. Yes, it is 0 and it is 2. And if it is not, then it should be 0 and it is 2. Then also it should work. It is 5, it is 7. Why so many numbers are coming?
But in every case, for some zero, will it be the index two?
No, no, I have not given index 2. This is I have given
Yeah, that I understand. Array dot length minus one, but will it be always true?
yes, yes,
That
obviously,
condition.
because the test case is if the sum of the left element is 0, then it is the last
Mm.
index.
No means, is there can't be test cases there where the right elements will also be zero
Yes, it is.
Like it is
Uh,
saying 2 comma minus 2, right? This test
minus
case.
two. Yes,
oh, then it
yes.
should left sum equals to 0 and left sum equals to right sum. It should be like that. Mm,
Let's print I only. Okay, sum equals to I and no sum and everything. It will just print index. Okay, let's try. It is printing 2, which is this 2. It is working.
yeah.
Any more
Yes.
test cases?
No, no. You explain the loop
The
once in
loops,
this.
yes.
Uh,
I am not, I did the same thing
not
which I
the sum part, not the sum part. Just please scroll down.
Okay, you explain in your own way.
this one.
This one.
Yes, yes, yes. So I have taken the sum up to this thing. Okay, I have not taken the
Okay, and
last one
okay.
because because you cannot take the last one, because if it is last one, then this last plus one will be the index, isn't it?
Hmm.
Yes.
So if last one is the index, then I have to take the sum up to this. So in this loop I have taken the sum uh, up to the this index, because
Length minus one.
last was yes, yes, and minus
Mm.
1. Okay, now what I did that this is like if left is 0, then return the last. Okay, you got it. If the left portion is 0, that is the last index is the pivot index, then the the left portion is 0 and the right is obviously 0, then it will return array of n, that is the array dot length minus 1. Okay,
Okay.
True.
Okay.
And now the main code will run. That I'll explain it with whiteboard. What I'm doing. What I'm doing. That 2 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 2. Okay. So I have taken the sum up to this one. That is, what is the sum of this one? 5 minus 4 plus 3. Okay.
Hmm.
And the right is now 0, because I am standing at the last index. I am standing at the last index. Now right is 0, left is 3. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I am iterating it from the left side. So I am in this index. So what should I do? 3 minus 2. That is, it is minus 2. So the sum will be plus 2. So it is 3 plus 2, 5. So this is up to this. So I am standing at this index. So it is 5, and right one should be 2.
What happened? Why it is plus 2?
3 minus 2. This is minus 2. So I have to 3 minus minus 2 equals to plus 2.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Ah, bro. You understand? So when I am standing at this, what I did? What I did, that I minus this element from the sum, and I added this element into the right element.
Okay.
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 And then I
First your right is 0.
yes, first is right is 0.
First right is 0 and you are adding 2 to the
Left
0.
is the whole sum.
Left is the whole sum up to
And
this.
then okay, I got it.
Yeah. Then when I am iterating it over this, then I minus this thing. So the sum remained is of this sum. Okay.
Yes.
Left sum is this sum, right?
Mm.
You isn't clear? বাংলা বলছি দেখ।
Hmm.
প্রথমে প্রথমে কি করলাম না, এতটা অবধি দাঁড়িয়ে আছে এইখানে, প্রথম লাস্টে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, তোরা যেটা বললি লাস্টে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, রাইটে
Hmm.
0 আছে,
Hmm.
লেফট সাম কত আছে বল।
Some
Left some.
আচ্ছা,
3,
এটা প্লাস,
3.
এটা প্লাস 2 করে দিন, এটা প্লাস মাইনাস প্লাসের জন্য প্রচুর কনফিউশন হচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা।
হ্যাঁ,
5.
এবার এবার বল, এদিকে কত আছে?
9 আছে।
9 আছে।
9।
হ্যাঁ,
হুম।
এরপর রাইটের আছে কত? 0। রাইট
হুম।
সাম তো 0 এখন, লাস্ট ইন্ডেক্সে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে যেহেতু। ঠিক আছে তো এটা।
হুম, হুম,
এরপর কি করলাম না, লাস্টের আগের ইন্ডেক্সে গেলাম, এখানে গেলাম, এখানে কি
হুম।
করছি না, লেফট সাম কত হবে?
Left some
Left some
ইয়ে
9.
9।
এইখানে অবধি কত ছিল? 11 ছিল না?
হ্যাঁ,
11.
আচ্ছা
ওটা
11,
11 ছিল, 11।
তাহলে 9 বলছিস।
আর এটা 9।
হ্যাঁ, 11 ছিল। এখন 11
হুম,
ছিল, রাইট সাম 0। এরপর কি করলাম, যখন আমি
হুম,
এই ইন্ডেক্সে গেলাম, 11 থেকে এটা মাইনাস করে দিল,
হুম,
কারণ এখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে আমি, তাহলে লেফট সামটা কি এইখান থেকে ক্যালকুলেট হবে। ঠিক
হুম।
আছে। আর রাইট সামে কি হচ্ছে না, এই এলিমেন্টটাকে আমি যোগ করে দিলাম, যেটা এর পরেরটা, যেটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এর রাইট আছে, সেইটাকে আমি যোগ করে দিলাম, সো প্লাস 2।
আচ্ছা। হুম,
বুঝতে পেরেছিস?
হুম, হুম,
এখানে দেখ সেই জিনিসটা করেছি যে সাম সাম মাইনাস ইকুয়ালস টু অ্যারে অফ আই, ইন্ডেক্সে যেটা আছে সেইটাকে আমি মাইনাস করছি, যে ইন্ডেক্সে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে সেইটাকে মাইনাস করছে। আর রাইটে কি করছি, রাইটের সাথে ইন্ডেক্স প্লাস ওয়ানে যেটা আছে, মানে এর পাশে যেটা আছে, রাইটে যেটা আছে সেটাকে আমি সাম করছি। বুঝতে পেরেছিস? বুঝতে পারলি? এটা এই পাশে আছে, কারণ এর রাইটে তো এইটা আছে, একে তো ধরা যাবে না এখন, রাইটে এগুলো ধরতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার?
নাহলে আমি একটা কোড দেবো, কি এটা খুব সহজ আছে।
দে,
ওর কাছে মিলাম।
I try to understand it.
এটা লেফট সাম রাইট সামেরই, শুধু আই
There's
দুটো
one more
পয়েন্টের মিলে
optimized
হচ্ছে।
method, like you will have to calculate from the sum, left sum and right sum.
এইটা দেখ, চ্যাটে দিলাম।
যেটা দিলি।
ওকে, Uh, Firstly, I taken ভেরিয়েবল আই আর ট্রাভার্স বাংলায় বলছি ভাই। প্রথমে একটা ভেরিয়েবল নিয়েছি আই, এটা একদম লেন্থ অবধি ট্রাভার্স করছে, একদম লাস্ট অবধি।
হুম
ঠিক আছে, একটা লেফট সাম নিয়েছি যেটাকে আমি আই অবধি ট্রাভার্স করছি প্রথমে, প্রথম লুপটাতে।
হুম
লেফট সামটাতে ওই
এটা
যে
এক্সাম্পলের সাথে বোঝায় না।
আচ্ছা দাঁড়া, গৌরাঙ্গ একটা স্ক্রিনটা ইয়ে করতে হবে। না না, তুই শেয়ার কর, তুই
তুই শেয়ার
বোর্ডটা
কর
খোল,
তোর
বোর্ডটা
স্ক্রিন।
খোল। আমার এমনি নেট ভালো নেই। এটা বুঝতে পারলি তো গৌরাঙ্গ, দেখ কোডটা দেখ, তুই আরো ভালো বুঝতে পারবি, সহজ।
left sum equals to 0, left sum plus equals to error j I এর j j রেজেন i মানে i এর আগে অবধি যাচ্ছে যে সাম করছে। আচ্ছা মানে তুই এটা কি করছিস, আমি যেটাকে মাইনাস করছি সেটাকে তুই
টার্ন অন
আর
ইউর
একটা লুপ
মাইক
চালাচ্ছিস
প্লিজ
মাইনাস করার
গৌরাঙ্গ।
জন্য।
তোর লাইভে মিটার এটা দেখাবে নাকি?
আচ্ছা তুই কি করছিস না আরেকটা লুপ চালাচ্ছিস সাম লেফট সামকে করার জন্য।
ভেতরে, হ্যাঁ।
আচ্ছা রাইট সাম ইকুয়ালস টু 0
আমি,
আর আরেকটা
হ্যাঁ,
লুপ চালাচ্ছিস রাইট সাম করার জন্য।
একটা আমি 0 to i-1 অব্দি চালাচ্ছি, আর একটা চালাচ্ছি আমি i+1 থেকে এন্ড অব্দি।
বুঝেছি বুঝেছি। তো এখানে এখানে দেখে কি করছে দেখ, ও কি করছে না, এটা একটু মোর টাইম কমপ্লেক্স মানে, ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে ইজি ওটা, আমি একটু অপটিমাইজ করে বললাম বলে।
একটু কঠিন হয়ে যাচ্ছে ওটা, হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে।
ওটাই ভালো।
এটা দেখ এখানে কি করছে, প্রথমে একটা ফর লুপ চলবে নর্মাল আই থেকে লাস্ট অবধি, ঠিক আছে,
ওকে।
ঠিক আছে।
হুম হুম
আর একটা যে যে পয়েন্টার থাকবে, যে পয়েন্টারটা কি হবে, যে পয়েন্টার ইজ দ্য ইন্ডেক্স which we want, okay. So now
হুম
let's say j pointer is here, okay, let's say
হুম
j is in 1, so we have to run a for loop which will which will add all this number up to j minus 1, okay, this is left sum, okay. And then after j plus 1 to end there will be another for loop which will calculate the sum of this element
the
from
right hand side.
j plus 1 to array dot length, means up to end, that will be right sum.
Like if you take the index as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this.
Yes, so this is right sum. So for left sum you will traverse the loop from 0 to j minus 1, and from for the right sum you will traverse from j plus 1 to end, okay. And if the left sum equals to right sum, then return j. It is simple, okay, understand.
এটা একটু বোঝা ইজি।
Yes, this
হ্যাঁ
is easy to understand. Yes, actually I have done this question a long ago, like 1 year ago, and that's why I remembered this approach, like it is optimized in big of n, you can say this is big of n.
হুম
while uploading in your GitHub, you just add this code, okay?
Yes, I'll add this code.
Okay, Gaurav, please put it in the chat box also, because if I don't find it, GitHub.
What?
The GitHub link is shared in the group only.
There are so
There.
many questions, sometimes it's not searchable.
put both the approaches, brute force and the
Yes, yes.
optimize also.
It is brute force, mine is brute force.
Yeah,
Gaurav.
you are your form is brute force.
Uh, it is already in the chat box. Put Gaurango's on.
I'll upload this question in GitHub, okay, you will get it with the question number.
Okay, okay, it's all right, but for now, please,
Okay,
if you
I'm giving you the input. You started
just
with
the
this, right?
last.
Okay, why is it giving error? Because it
It's
is
giving
returning,
error.
oh, it is returning I, okay, South I. You will going it in.
Oh, it is in a function actually.
Yes, I got it. Okay, so that's it, and I am giving you this thing.
Left right rotation, I think it is done already.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
6 to 7. Okay, it is just shifting one
it is already
element. That is
done.
very easy.
Rotation by left was actually.
What?
The modulus operator is used here.
Yes, yes. Model operator is used, and I have already seen this question. Like I have already shown. It is just
Yes,
nothing.
already done.
It is one k equals to 2. It is already done. Okay.
It is already done.
Yes. I shouldn't waste.
Okay, those two questions are still left.
No.
Okay, forget about those.
Product one is done or not?
No.
Product one is not uh,
All the test cases are not
correctly
done.
running. Running. Uh,
Okay, okay. Moving on.
moving.
Okay,
Finding
Singular.
circular rotation in an array.
by k position, finding circular
Why?
rotation. It is just rotation of the array and nothing else.
Okay, okay. Like if the array is rotated or not,
Yes,
like that.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Searching an array element is simple.
The question
Just
number 16 and 18 you haven't added in your GitHub.
Yes, yes. I have not added yesterday question in my GitHub. My GitHub is like problematic. Like it is doing some problems. Here, it should, yeah, here it should upload the all the
you,
questions to the GitHub, but it is not doing. I don't know
you
why.
you should upload the folder or update the folder. I think
No, no.
it will
It
work.
is.
Or like you can just create a
I
new file and then just copy paste the code over there. You can do that.
It
Or
is
you
also.
can also upload it in Drive.
I can do all this. I have done. I can copy paste the folder and track the folder all do. But I have
Mm.
set up the GitHub into the IntelliJ idea here, and according to my thing, it should commit every code to the GitHub automatically after doing the message with this message that I have done. But
Okay, okay.
but uh,
But it's problem
it is
occurring.
doing some problem. Yes, yes,
You can check the linking between GitHub and IntelliJ once again.
yes, yes. I have to do that. Okay.
I think it's deprecated. Depreciated.
What?
I think the command is depreciated.
You are doing too much web development.
Arey bro.
No, bro.
Depreciated. It is used only in like AWT stuff in
Yeah.
Oh my
his.
God. Okay, so
Oh, okay, forget about that.
check
23.
check if 23. Okay, sort the array according to the order defined by another array. How can I get the question? It is not
It
a
is
link.
not. Okay.
Just
Where
like
to
search in Google
search?
Chrome, then you can like find some examples.
Sort an
Uh,
array
I got.
according to the order defined by another. Sort an array according to the order defined by another array. Sort an array according to the order. It
What
is
is
like
that?
hash map, and I have to sort the array like that frequency, right? Like
1, 2, 3, 4. Another array. How it is can be done. It can be done.
What is that, brother? What is that?
You.
You.
Acha, 25 number question. Check if array is a subset of another array or not. It is, I think. We should do.
yes, yes. I also feel. uh,
What question? Array is
Please,
sub.
anyone don't watch my YouTube live.
Okay. If any of us absent for any day, then it is useful.
Yes, yes, yes. It is not for the general audience.
Mhm.
It is harmful for us
Me.
then.
पहले ही फूट सकता है.
Okay, check if an array is a subset of another array or
Um,
not. Can you do that?
Subset. To sort those array, I think. Then is it checking both the arrays, like,
No,
or
if
single
like
array?
it is a wrong question given.
A length is
It is saying that if array 1 is present in array 2 or not. If the elements of array 1 is present
okay.
in array,
Then if array one length is greater than array two, then it is not a subset.
yes, that is the
Means all the elements should be present in array 2.
yes, all the elements of
Ah,
array 1 should be present in array 2.
okay, we have to
The
use.
alpha in the example to array 2 elements then present in array 1.
Array 1 elements are not a subset of array 2 because the size is greater. Can you do that?
Length is
Can you do that?
sorting those.
Then sort that and two pointer.
Approach. Can we use hasset for this?
Yes. That's what I was wanting. Hasset is the best solution for this. Just
Yeah, I
add
think so.
this number into hasset, and if it is present here,
And say,
remove it.
okay, okay.
If hasset is
This
0, then empty, then it is okay. Yes, the question number is 25. Check if array is subset or not. Question 25. Array subset. This one is not working. I don't know why. Int array 1 equals to. This is an easy question, I think. So
Yes, like two loops, and then if the
what?
means in in two for loops will be used, like for I loop. Inside the I loop will contain the first one.
No,
And,
why?
huh? And means like
Mm,
the
yes,
I
yes.
loop will contain the first one and the j loop will contain the second one.
Second as well.
Like if the every elements will means like for array one the number one will be checked if it is present.
Yes,
It will
if any other number is not present, then it will return
then
false.
it will false. Yes.
Yes. That's also a good approach. You can do that also. You try that time when you want. Yeah, Yeah, it's working. Thing has set in 4 line of code.
Try the other way out, like
Okay, okay, Gorango.
But
Can I say one test case if you don't
yes,
mind?
yes, yes,
Increase the length of array.
yes, yes. That's what I asked.
It is also working.
it should work.
Hopefully.
It should work, bro. Because the all the test case, all the things are not content in this.
It is showing true.
False.
On false.
It's false because 7, 9, 8, 10 is not in
Yeah,
array
yeah.
2.
Yes, you are asking how, isn't it, Rahul?
Yeah, yeah. No, no, I also done it. I just given an extra if statement
Yeah,
first.
if equals to zero,
It is
then
not
true
any use.
else. That's how you can optimize the lines of code.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. I think it is comfortable. And the array section is also done despite of those two questions.
Yes, and it's okay. All questions are not for us. We are stuck in TCS NQ seat, bro, and we are going to solve DSA seat, SD seat. How can I don't know.
All hail to you.
Actually, what happens is in this time my brain doesn't work that efficiently, like to solve new questions.
Yeah,
So I cannot solve new question at this moment. So I can do only those questions where I have already done somewhere.
I am
To
also with
formulate
this
an
one.
algorithm is tough for me at this situation. It needs peace and focus. Okay, so these problems on arrays are done, and from
And
tomorrow
tomorrow we should do the numbers.
problems on numbers is, and
So
from
we
How
should
tomorrow
many
write code.
questions there in the sheet?
it is 35, and this is 7, and this is
Three,
5.
seven.
We will not do this. And there is string which is 28.
String is important, right?
Yeah, string is important. This one is
Next we
important,
can
like one
start like
question,
string
one questions come from this type of questions.
means right after this one we can start strings, right?
uh
No, no.
no,
Sequence
no,
wise,
these
I
these
think.
these question, you will find these questions in a normal questions, like in
Interview questions.
normal yes, assessment coding questions. You will find these questions.
If any of these are tough, then we should go there.
Yeah, string
Means we
question.
should do this, but at first we should complete the strings, I think. We
That's
should
also not
do
an
all
issue.
of these
No
actually. We
problem.
should like revise even if we know.
Yeah, I have not found much string questions in my exams I've given. Rather, I found these questions in every exam I've given. Like in
Alright,
Bentley
alright.
also, one question is
Then we
there.
will start with number system then.
Binary system,
Yeah,
number
because this
system.
is it will take one day only. If you can solve this question, you can solve any question here. It will not take much than one day, or one day is like more than enough.
One code one day.
No, no, no. The seven code will take like 1.5 hour, not 2 hours maximum. But you have to check your formulation and how it is. Okay, okay. So enough for today. I'll ending my stream. Okay, good night, dosto.